See if you can take this derivative that combines the quotient rule with the product rule. Since we're dealing with a fraction, our overall derivative will require the quotient rule. X squared times e to the x will be our high function, and secant x will be our low function. But before we can use the quotient rule, let's find the derivatives of the numerator and the denominator. Because the high function x squared times e to the x is product itself, we will have to use the product rule for its derivative. So it will be first or x squared times the derivative of the second, which is e to the x, plus the derivative of the first, or 2x, times the second, or e to the x. The derivative of the low function of secant of x is memorized to be secant x times tangent x. And now let's use the quotient rule. We start off with low, which is just secant x, and we found dhigh with the product rule. And don't forget to include these parentheses. Then we continue with minus the high, which is x squared times e to the x. And we next multiply by dlow, or secant x tangent x. Of course, we end with low, which will be secant x squared. To simplify a bit, notice that every term includes a secant x, so we can cancel a single secant x from each term. And now we have finished taking a derivative that involved the product rule within the quotient rule.